In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the operating system is not presently configured to run this application. So let's get started. First thing that you can do is you need to try running the application as an administrator. So if this is the application that you're having an error with, right click and then select run as administrator. Second method is we can also try to disable the firewall temporarily. So go to the Windows search bar and then simply type firewall. Click Windows Defender Firewall under the best match. In the list of options on the left pane, click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and then temporarily click on the Turn Off option for both the private and the public. Then get your job done. If that helped you fix the issue, you need to go back to the same window and then turn it on again because this is a very important security for your Windows. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can produce more useful tutorials for you. Next method, we can also perform a clean boot. So go to the Windows search bar and type msconfig. Click on System Configuration under the best match. Then here, click on the Services tab. Now make sure to check this option, Hide All Microsoft Services. And then if other services are still enabled, then simply click on Disable All, Apply, and then OK, and then simply click on the Restart button. For the next method, we can also run the SFC scan. So go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Here, simply type SFC space forward slash scan now. SFC space forward slash scan now, hit enter. The system scan will begin, so you just have to wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once this is completed, you have to type exit, then close the window, and then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. Next method, click on the start button and go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on apps, installed apps. Here we have to look for the Microsoft Office for the version of our Microsoft Office. So I have this one from here. This one. All you have to do is click on the three dots, select modify, and then you will have to repair it. So click on the quick repair and click on the repair button. So if quick repair fixes your issue, well good, but if not, you can go with online repair and just simply click on the repair and wait for the process to be done. That will take an hour, but you just have to patiently wait for that. So do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.